Hello. Welcome to the Health and Fitness TV. This is your host, Sunny. In this video, I am gonna talk about how to build muscle at home during this COVID pandemic. So, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Don't have access to the gym? Don't worry, you can still bulk up without it. In this video, you will find the easiest ways to build those muscles fast at home without weights or any piece of equipment. You just need to focus on achieving your goal and use your own body weight. Some of these exercises are quite common, like running and squats, which we will be discussing further as to how they can help you build muscle mass. So, don't go just yet and keep watching until the end. Let's get started then. Number 1. Running or jogging. You just need your own 2 legs and a reliable pair of running shoes on this one. For beginners, we recommend starting with walking or jogging slowly. Doing so will help increase your physical stamina. After a few days you feel more energetic, start running, but do it slow and take shorter distances first. You can then increase your pace and distance as your leg muscles and cardiovascular system get stronger. Number 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great way of building muscles in the upper body, as it trains muscles like arms, back, shoulders, and chest. When you've mastered the traditional variation, try doing a new one, say, by leaning on the wall or the door. As you grow stronger, you can work your way to using the floor as your starting point. Push-ups also increase your muscles along with the triceps and biceps. Number 3. Squats. Squats are one of the best muscle building exercises you can do. This exercise is the real master if you want to bulk up. Squats also help work your core, seamlessly building your thighs and strengthening your lower back. With squats, it's easy to progress to more difficult variations over time. But in the meantime, you must perfect your form for the best results. Number 4. Tricep dips. Tricep dips are simple yet effective. They pack on slabs of muscles with just your body weight and a stable surface. However, it can take a while to master this exercise. But once you do, it's a surefire way of getting bigger arms. You might think that concentrating on biceps is the key, but it actually isn't. The truth is, the triceps make up approximately 60% of the upper arm. In other words, this bodyweight staple is a must in building t-shirt straining muscles. Number 5. Crunches. Crunches help with core strength and can tone your midsection. It's something you can easily do, all the while helping you build muscle mass in and around the waist. Unlike old sit-ups, crunches are much more effective in strengthening your abdominal muscles and overall core muscle group. Albeit modest, this exercise is proven to build muscle without using weights. Number 6. Walking lunges. Walking lunges are a dynamic unilateral lower body exercise that builds leg strength, muscle, and improves functional movement. It's a movement that focuses more on developing the thighs and strengthening the hips. Walking lunges can even help you develop better balance. It's also a great cardio exercise since it activates so many primary muscles. Pretty easy, right? Which ones are your favorite? Let us know by leaving comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. If you have a topic that you would like us to cover on this channel, put it down in the comment section below. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you are the first one to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks a lot for your love and support. See you all in the next video.